Welcome to qnawire.
Okay, so I see that you need help with this question. It says the data in the table below are a result of a random survey of 39 national flags with replacement between picks from various countries. We are interested in finding the confidence interval for the true mean number of colors on a national flag. Let X equal the number of colors on the flag. So it's going to be X and then frequency. So 1, 1, 2, there's 7, 3, there's 18, 4, there's 7, 5, there's 6. So then what you're going to do is so it's 114, 3 times 18, that's 54, 28, 30. And so 54 plus 28 plus 30 plus 14 plus 1, and that's 127. And then I'm going to total up the frequency. 1 plus 7 plus 18 plus 7 plus 6, and that's 39. So then I'm going to divide that by 39. And so that is 3.3. And so I'm going to do 1 minus 3.3, square it, and then multiply it by 1, and that's 5.29. 2 minus 3.3, square it, and then multiply it by 7, and that's 11.83. 0.3 squared times times 18, that's 1.62. Okay, and then 4 minus 3.3, which is 0.7, squaring that, and then multiplying that by 7, that's 3.43. And then 5 minus 3.3, squaring that, and then multiplying that by 6, and that's 17.34. And then I'm going to total that up, plus 3.43 plus 1.62 plus 11.83 plus 5.29, and that's 39.51. And then I'm going to divide that by 38, and that's 39.51 divided by 38, and that's 1.0397. And I'm going to find the square root of that, and that is equal to 1.02. And so that is the standard deviation. Okay, and so now I need to construct a 95% confidence interval. And so the mean of this sample, again, so is 3.3. Okay, so the mean is 3.3. The sample size is 39. The sample standard deviation is 1.02. And we're only going out 2 decimal places. And so you're going to do 1 minus 0.95. It's 0.05. 1 minus 0.05 divided by 2, and that's 0.975. So then T, 0.975, degree of freedom is going to be 38, and that is equal to 2.02. So then you have 3.3 plus or minus 2.02 times your standard deviation of 1.02 divided by the square root of 39. And so then we have 3.3 plus or minus 2.02 times 1.02 divided by the square root of 39. and that's 0.163, and or just 16 times 2.02, and that's 3.3 plus or minus 0.33. And so 3.3 minus 0.33, and that's 2.97 comma, and then adding that together is 3.63. So I hope that this video helps. This is the middle school math teacher signing